Telugu film I was doing, that entire crew every day would remind me of my height. My hero was quite tall. I'm 5'2", and I'm like, yeah, you're telling me about something that I have no control over. It's something that genetically आया है, and that's the only set where I was really bullied, very bad.
Mission Kashmir happened before Dil Chahta Hai, and after which I was offered Dil Chahta Hai, and the casting director was Zoya Akhtar there. In between, I did a film called Pyar Tune Kya Kiya with Fardeen and
Yes.
Yeah. I really like that
So
one.
I quite like this transition that nobody tried to typecast me. कि अगर आप थिएटर करते हो तो आपको फिल्म नहीं मिलेगी. हम इतनी सिंपल बातों में उप्स नहीं करते हैं.
Which on-screen cop do you admire?
अरे बाप रे, हमें लगता है कि प्लान करने से लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा हम लाइफ को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, पर अचानक से लाइफ जो है वो अपना अपना खेल दिखाती है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द शो.
ये प्रोड्यूसर्स के और कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में है कि नहीं ऑडियंस को नहीं समझ में आएगा. क्यों? आपको बिमल रॉय की सुजाता समझ में आई थी, 1936 में आपको अछूत कन्या समझ में आई थी जब देविका रानी और अशोक कुमार ने बनाई थी अबाउट अनटचेबिलिटी. दैट यू अंडरस्टूड एंड मेड अ हिट. हाउ कैन यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड Oops Up Kya?
You know, those remarks are so cliche but very rare, that how does your child feel, because you're always away, na?
Everything is so progressive. The other day I saw sanitary pad napkin का ad था where they finally used red liquid. Instead of blue animation, blue liquid animation. I'm like, thanks. It's not blue. It's blood.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with three amazing people. I think Abhay, Sonali and Shweta जो बताने वाले हैं अब क्या होने वाला है guys, क्या होने वाला है. And oops क्यों? I mean such an interesting story, इतना light hearted story, फिर क्या होने वाला है आगे? आप लोग ही बताइए.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारी जिंदगी में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे होता रहता है. कभी कभी बिल भरना रह जाता है, कभी कभी 2 बार भर देते हैं. ऑनलाइन कुछ भी हो सकता है. हमें किसी को 90 डेज का पैक लेना होता है और पता चलता है कि अरे वो पैक हमने गलत ले लिया. बहुत कुछ उप्स मोमेंट्स रहते हैं. हम जरा टेढ़े लोग हैं, हम इतनी सिंपल बातों में उप्स नहीं करते हैं. हमने थोड़ा उसका गियर चेंज किया है और टॉप गियर में उप्स हो रहा है. ओवर टू यू श्वेता.
Absolutely, I think that's so well put by Sonali. और जैसा इन्होंने कहा कि लाइफ में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ओप्स होता ही रहता है. इट्स हाउ यू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन और उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज आपके इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स पे या लाइफ पे कैसे असर करता है. सो ये शो जो फिक्शनली लिखा गया इन फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स के आसपास, तो उनके साथ रूही के साथ जो मेरे किरदार का नाम है, आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन हो जाता है एंड शी गेट्स प्रेग्नेंट while having no physical intimacy with anybody ever. And oops, अब क्या?
आई थिंक हम लाइफ को बहुत प्लान करते रहते हैं. हमें लगता है कि प्लान करने से लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा हम लाइफ को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, पर अचानक से लाइफ जो है वो अपना अपना खेल दिखाती है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द शो. कि एवरीबडी हैज सम प्लान्स फॉर द लाइफ, बट जस्ट वन स्मॉल इंसिडेंट, हाउ इट अफेक्ट्स लाइक 20 people at the same time, और सबकी लाइफ चेंज हो जाती है. और देन एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू ग्रैपल विथ इट कि अरे यार ये चेंज हो गया, ये तो नहीं चाहिए था, बट इट हैपेंस टू एवरीवन. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ. सरप्राइज आल्सो कम्स आउट ऑफ इट. यू बिल्ड बेटर रिलेशनशिप्स, you understand people, because true character comes in these kind of moments. So I think this show is all about that.
You know, मैंने recently एक कहीं पर quotation पढ़ा that it's related to dark times and you know how one has to deal with it. And वो लिखा था that you know when it जब बहुत thunderstorm होता है ना and there are too many dark clouds, you should remain a sunshine or you'll never see the rainbow. So I think this show is about that, you know, that no matter what, and I think in life also, no matter how dark it gets, you have to be the sunshine, otherwise उसके बिना आपको rainbow कभी नहीं दिखेगा. So I think this character or the characters in the show and the show itself, I think उसका intention and the फाइनल मॉरल जो एक कहते हैं किसी भी कहानी का, वो यही है ऑडियंस को.
You know, I have this question for both you ladies. You know, अगर हम फर्स्ट एपिसोड ही देखें, it beautifully shows not only how premarital sex gets judgments on your character, but also कि you know how the content these days have been progressing, right? ये content शायद हम पहले दिखाते थे तो एक apprehension होता था, acceptance शायद उतना नहीं था. How do you both see this change and you know the kind of stereotypes the show is battling?
I feel in India, we are opening to variety of things, be it the market, world market, I am saying, fashion industry, relationships, political standing. Variety of things are changing in India, and thankfully, with the use of mobile,
Yeah.
we are able to get exposed to the international happenings. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो जो फर्क था इंडिया में कि दीज आर सिटी पीपल एंड ये लोग गांव के हैं, दैट फर्क इज मर्जिंग स्लोली
Yeah.
एंड एवरीबडी हैज द सेम इंफॉर्मेशन, जिसकी वजह से अंडरस्टैंडिंग लोगों की बदल रही है. आज जिस प्रकार की कहानियां हम बता रहे हैं, इंडियन ऑडियंस इज रेडी टू सी दोज स्टोरीज.
Absolutely.
दे मच्योरली अंडरस्टैंड. ऐसा नहीं है कि एवरीबडी इज ब्रिंगिंग देयर ओन मॉरल स्केल
Yeah.
कि ये गलत है एंड ये सही है. लोग कहानी देखने के लिए तैयार है बिकॉज नो मोर वी आर हाइडिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड अस. एक जमाने में होता था कि ये प्योर है, ये फॉल्स है, ये राइट है, वो रॉन्ग है.
Moral.
वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि लाइफ में सब परफेक्ट नहीं होता है, गलतियां होती है और गलतियां ना बताने से गलतियां छुप नहीं जाती.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So, which is beautiful, and I really like the phase that we all are in today.
True.
That we are enjoying stories, which is the emotional exchange.
I completely agree with Sonali on that. I think it's a great time for writers, actors, people who are in the creative field, because you can tell stories not thinking about audience समझेगी
Or
क्या,
maybe the taboo.
or the taboo about it. बिल्कुल नहीं. अब जितने भी, there are so many films, there are so many series that are coming out, so many literature pieces that are now being adapted world over also, and especially in India. So I think it's great that वो सारे stereotypes break हो रहे हैं, and I think about time यार. And जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि everyone has information,
Yeah.
so it's truly gotten democratic. You know, nobody can say that audience ये नहीं लेगी. 10,000 हैशटैग्स आ जाएंगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ कोई शो या कोई फिल्म गया है कि नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड टेल मोर स्टोरीज, एंड ऑडियंसेस, आई थिंक एज ऑडियंस हैज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी ओपन फॉर दिस.
Absolutely.
ये प्रोड्यूसर्स के और कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में है कि नहीं, ऑडियंस को नहीं समझ में आएगा. क्यों? आपको बिमल रॉय की सुजाता समझ में आई थी, 1936 में आपको अछूत कन्या समझ में आई थी जब देविका रानी और अशोक कुमार ने बनाई थी अबाउट अनटचेबिलिटी. That you understood and made a hit. How can you not understand Oops Up Kya? ये तो बहुत लेट आ रहा है, but
Exactly.
it's right with the time and right with, you know, the dating apps, and you know उसका भी advertisement चल रहा है, and there are all kind of, everything is so progressive. The other day I saw sanitary pad napkin
Yeah.
का ad था where they finally used red liquid
Yeah.
instead of blue animation,
and
blue
white.
liquid animation. I'm like, thanks, it's not blue, it's blood. तो ग्रेट. आई थिंक हर सेक्टर में छोटा छोटा करके बहुत प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है, एंड आई थिंक अबाउट टाइम. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट ऑल ऑफ अस एज आर्टिस्ट्स आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट with our audience,
Yeah.
who are as participating as we are holding hands together in this time.
एंड आई थिंक अभी जिस तरह की वुमेन सेंट्रिक शोज आ रहे हैं ना,
Yeah.
उससे मुझे ये काफी अलग लगता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वुमेन कैरेक्टर्स कोई रिवेंज नहीं ले रहा है ना, मतलब
Bold
एक,
है.
एक तरीके से जस्टिस चाहिए या फिर पावर पोजीशन के लिए कुछ तो कर. दैट्स नॉट द होल स्पेस. It's all about, I mean, there are 3 generations of women.
Yes.
They are all making their choices, and they are all making very bold choices.
Yeah.
So like even Apra ma'am, who's like the Nani,
Nani,
everyone in
yeah.
their own way. And it's very funny. I also think that they all have some complications with men in their life,
Yeah.
in their own ways. So that way also I find this show very interesting. It takes a very exciting take on all these things.
Also the way male characters are
Yes.
written.
Yes.
The
I
male
would commend
characters
him
are
for
written
that.
so well, like Omkar,
Yeah.
अभय का जो कैरेक्टर है, या समर का कैरेक्टर जो आशिम ने प्ले किया है, जावेद जी's character, all the characters are so nuanced, so layered, and so vulnerable. He's playing a cop who is a cop, like, you know, like to the T, he's doing his job, but he's so vulnerable with his
Yeah.
girlfriend, you know,
Yeah.
Ruhi's character. and that was it's so nice to see men being vulnerable, or Javed ji's character when he's around ma'am, you know, it's so cute.
That's so beautiful.
And there is no underlining or highlighting of men, women. It's just individuals who happen to be,
Yeah.
you know, in different genders. That's it.
Definitely. Abhay, coming to you, first of all पूछना चाहूंगी, which on-screen cop do you admire?
आहा,
अरे बाप रे, ये मैं सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे इसके बारे में, बिकॉज आई मीन व्हेन दिस थिंग केम टू मी, आई वाज थिंकिंग कि किस तरह का कॉप आपको दिखाना है,
Yeah.
बिकॉज वी हैव अ वेरी सर्टन आइडिया ऑफ अ कॉप,
Yeah.
एंड वो बहुत एक्सटीरियर वाली चीज है.
But you know, the way your character progresses, I want to ask you, आपके लिए deal breaker क्या है relationship में?
यार डील ब्रेकर
Because men like you are very less, जो आप on screen
हाँ,
character who
वो
support.
बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीन फ्लैग है, मतलब
हाँ, exactly.
ग्रीनेस्ट फ्लैग है वो. तो
उसके बारे में सोचो, लेकिन मुझे सिंघम बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
यस यस,
And तलाश का आमिर.
I like Khaki. राजकुमार संतोषी जी की फिल्म आई थी ना,
खाकी,
खाकी.
yeah,
I
yeah,
think I like
तलाश का
Singham
आमिर
also.
also is a very
Very nice reference, yeah.
I think डील ब्रेकर
दिल ब्रेक मत करो.
हाँ मतलब जब तक पॉसिबल उतना तो आप रिलेशनशिप को तो सेव
Yeah.
करने की कोशिश करते ही हो. अगर वो बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब हो रहा है, मतलब दोनों का लाइफ, आपके आसपास का सबका लाइफ खराब हो रहा है, तो
Yeah.
फिर छोड़ दो. बट मुझे लगता है कि आप सच में किसी के प्यार में जब होते हो तो आप एंड तक जाते हो, उसको वो टूटे ना इसलिए. मतलब आप सोचो कि उसके बारे में कि मैं इससे निकल जाता हूँ, बट आप निकलते नहीं हो. आई थिंक सो.
True. And you know, talking about your career graph also overall, Abhay, you have a name in Marathi industry. You have done some really good work there, right?
Yes.
But do you think TVF Pictures changed the game for you when it came to
Absolutely,
Hindi
absolutely it
mainstream?
did.
And लोग पूछते अभी भी next season कब आएगा? Where is it progressing?
नहीं एब्सोल्युटली पूछते हैं यार, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट जस्ट ओपनड अप वर्क इन हिंदी.
Yeah.
And this show also I'm very excited because here I get to play something which people have not seen me
Yeah.
do earlier. So I'm in presence of such good actors, so very very excited for that.
Well, you know, Sonali ma'am, when it comes to your character, you know, she is asking you a question in the series कि क्या मेरे पैदा होने के बाद आपके करियर पे या किसी पे full stop, like did you stop living your life, right? I want to ask you, as an actress, you know, जब आप शादी करते हो, when you have kids, did that sort of judgments came your way कि okay, now you are married or maybe you are a mother, so certain sort of roles won't be offered to you, or maybe this won't be apt for you?
I haven't approached my career or my life like that, and thankfully people around me
Yeah.
have been absolutely pro my work.
Yeah.
My husband Nachiket always says that you are most happy when you're working. So you
Exactly.
should keep up your work. I never wanted to be a person who will tell the family कि I wanted this family to be together, and that is why I have made so many sacrifices in my life. I don't want to become that greater soul
Yeah.
with sacrifices. I am okay to accept that yes, probably I'll miss out on this thing, or I will miss out a parents meeting, or this function, that shadi, this event. But we also have our own priorities in place, and I really enjoy working. It is about you, how you command, not you demand.
Yeah.
Because demands are one thing, that
Yeah.
I want this, I want that. But when you start behaving in a certain manner which is filled with positivity and a sense of enjoying your work,
Yeah.
this is not something somebody is pushing me every day
Exactly.
and telling me that jao kuch karo.
True.
It's my passion, and I'm
Yeah.
one of those rarest species जिनकी passion profession बन गई है.
True.
So I have never come across this confusion, or I never had to convince someone,
Yeah.
apart from some cute little passerby or a neighbor, distant neighbor, that too, कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है, because those remarks are so cliche but very rare, that how does your child feel, because you're always away, na?
Yeah.
You're never there when she's sleeping.
True,
Or
true.
I'm there. I don't go for a 9 to 5 job. I have free days and I have my own routine.
True.
So thankfully it is nice that we have those silly people also around who have basic
Truly silly.
questions.
Yeah.
But most of the lot is absolutely wise. I see my neighbors, I see helping hands coming forward, and I feel we are in a fabulous space
Yeah.
where people respect your hard work,
True.
including your child.
But I don't think they will question that your husband. That are you away all the time now? You're missing the PTA meeting. I don't think they'll question them.
But you know, ma'am, last year you celebrated your career with 100 films that you have done, right? Yes. Exactly.
बाप रे.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
My God.
That was definitely not reflected in the way you do. Because ma'am, पूछना, you know, I have your memories of early 2000s, right? When your two popular movies, I would say, came, Mission Kashmir आई, दिल चाहता है आई.
Correct.
I would like to pick this point, ma'am. Ageism क्या तब भी इंडस्ट्री में एग्जिस्ट करता था? Because जहाँ in one movie you
Can
are
you repeat?
ageism तभी
Ageism.
exist because in one movie you are playing a mother, in another one you have this popular song, you are romancing a hero. What was it back then?
Thank you for asking this, Akriti, because Mission Kashmir happened before Dil Chahta Hai.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And after which I was offered Dil Chahta Hai, and the
yeah.
casting director was Zoya Akhtar there.
Yeah.
In between, I did a film called Pyar Tune Kya Kiya with Fardeen and
Yes.
Urmila.
Yeah.
Yes.
I really like that one.
So I quite like this transition that nobody tried to typecast me.
Yeah.
So industry, in a way, there is no they for me that they do this to you. It's you, what you do to your career.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I was in a hurry and if I was picking everything that was offered, I would have probably ended up doing something which is too typical
Yeah.
or monotonous. I got to meet some fantastic filmmakers, writers and co-actors in my career who have added value to my entire journey. And they never told me that you will be typecast. They were fearless. There was Zoya Akhtar who stood by me for my casting as Pooja in Dil Chahta Hai. She stood by me when I had plays
Yeah.
during the shoot. And she was absolutely proud of the fact that no, Sonali is there only till lunch that day because she has her natak in the evening. So nobody has tried to force any cliche कि अगर आप थिएटर करते हो तो आपको फिल्म नहीं मिलेगी. You know, you hardly see these cliches anymore.
Yeah.
So if I play this character, I won't be offered that character. ये तो
Even Bride and Prejudice.
yeah.
That was I love that movie. And
But
what
I
a
love
nice
Taxi
character.
Number Not.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
No, I also
I
just
think
to add, I
nevertheless.
feel like
What a
if I
variety.
look from the Marathi context, no, in that way, she started with Marathi films,
Yeah.
but there are very few Marathi actresses who have explored work like her.
Yes.
And have because that's very exciting. Like now I'm sitting with her and now I'm thinking, and I am thinking, shit, like the kind of
Yeah.
role she has done. There are very few Marathi actresses who could have
Pulled that.
crossed that boundary and do it.
You know, Shweta, when it comes to your character, na, one scene really hit me जहाँ आपका younger version is getting borderline body shamed, and even as you grow up, you are conscious about this acne and all, right? I want to ask you, real life में have there been mean comments coming on your way because of the maybe way you look or the way you are, and you have been, you know, maybe
How is
rejected?
that possible? She's so pretty.
No, but like, फिर भी
Of course.
होती है problem.
Oh no, I think there was this one Telugu film I was doing, and that entire crew every day would remind me of my height because my my hero was quite tall. I'm 5'2", and my actor was 5'11" or almost 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
Who would mess up every scene, give retakes. Him being Telugu can't speak the language. Even I couldn't, but I was managing. And I'm like, yeah, you're telling me about something that I have no control over. It's something that genetically aaya hai. You manage, you know. And that's the only set where I was really bullied. Very bad. Yeah, but that's the only time. But never on my looks. Thanks to my parents, I'm genetically blessed.
But you know, Shweta, what has ups and downs in relationship taught you?
Ups and downs in relationships has been for me, that has been for everybody. I think all of us have gone through phases of falling in love based on potential. कि इसमें दिख रहा है कि ये सुपरमैन बनेगा एक दिन, बट वो उड़ता ही नहीं, तो फिर आप छोड़ देते हैं कि ये नहीं बनेगा, ये चश्मा पहन के ही रहेगा, इसको रहने दो. So हाँ, I think of course my relationships ups and downs have been वही potential पे where you are like give it all, and I'm somebody, I'm either 0 or 100.
100.
So even with my friendships or my work, or when I'm at home, then I'm at home. I don't carry my work at home. When I'm with my family or friends or relationships, mine is 100. And I give it all, and then I'm like, okay, now I want it back, and then I come back to 0 and I pack my labs and bye.
I just have few rapid fire, 3 questions each.
Yes.
Abhay, when it comes to you, a director on your wish list,
मे बी विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी,
an actress you want to work with.
कोंकणा सेन शर्मा.
Okay, describe the whole cast of Oops Ab Kya in one word.
Oops.
Sonali ma'am, which actor of current generation you admire?
Shweta and Abhay.
Okay, your most challenging character to date.
Definitely Pakhi's, because there was a no, but Pakhi's, may I explain why?
Your like
है
if
ना,
you want.
तो
Yeah.
Pakhi is so positive, Pakhi is so spontaneous and light. She makes every situation feel like, you know, it's okay, you can find a solution. But there was a fear that I could have crossed the borderline and the character would have sounded a little loud and jarring,
Yeah.
which I had to maintain. So it was very, very difficult.
Okay, a quality about these actors you have worked with and you admire in one word. Amir Khan,
Integrity,
Saif Ali Khan,
caring nature,
Hrithik,
passion,
Ajay Devgan,
confidence,
Sanjay Dutt.
gullible.
Thank you so much. Shweta, when it comes to you, Iqbal or Makdi, which film you want ki re-release ho?
Dono. This is 20th year of Iqbal, by the way.
Yeah.
2025.
Yes,
It released
20th
20 years
Oh,
ago.
nice.
Yeah.
And in case people have not watched Iqbal, please watch Iqbal for her incredible
Definitely.
performance.
Okay, करिश्मा का करिश्मा और कहानी घर घर की your favorite show.
Oh God, yeah. Please don't make me do this. Both. I have such lovely memories from both shows.
Okay, one memory you have to share now from कहानी. And do you believe Shweta कि you know कि अभी TV को जो पहले था अभी it has become a little regressive. Do you believe?
So I don't watch TV. I'm sorry, and I don't know how is it going right now. But I really miss shows like Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Yes.
I think that's my favorite Indian TV show. You know, there were shows like Wagle Ki Duniya, and there were shows like
ये जो है
Hum
जिंदगी
Paanch,
देख भाई देख.
देख भाई देख. तो I don't know क्या चल रहा है, but I know ये shows नहीं बन रहे हैं. तो ये shows बन जाए तो बहुत मजा आएगा.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was fun.
नमस्कार, आई एम सोनाली कुलकर्णी.
Hi, I'm Abhay Mahajan.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है श्वेता बासु प्रसाद और आप देख रहे हैं
Bollywood
बॉलीवुड
Bubble.
बबल.